today's video, I will tell you how to make animated video and start your earning by uploading it on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Rumble, and many more. So let's get started.
Open Google Chrome and type Google Trend. Open the link and click on Trending Now. Then click on the Real-Time Search Trends. Copy the chosen heading. Open New tab, type Google News, paste the link in search bar. Then press the provided website, copy given data, open New tab and type ElevenLabs. Click on the website link and open it. Paste the whole copied data, choose your favorite voice, and click on the Generate option. After DID.com. Open the link and sign up your email or Google account. Click on the Create Video option. Choose your favorite avatar. On your right side, click the audio and upload downloaded audio. After uploading, click on the Generate Video. After video generating, download it. Hope my video will help you in earning.
Lake Geneva, the Lavaux Vineyard Terraces in Switzerland cover more than 800 hectares and offer not only tasty wines, but also spectacular